Hi, my name is Marie and I'm super excited to get rid of my glasses and I'm here to get fitted for Ortho-K.
Hi, I'm Dr. Che. I'm the Ortho-K specialist here at New York Laser Vision. Today we'll be fitting Ortho-K lenses for the first time on Marie. And here are the Paragon Ortho-K lenses. It comes in a kit with all the lenses and lens solutions. So let us look into what's included in the package. This is the package that comes with the order of the lenses. Here are the two lenses that we're going to be fitting Marie with. And this is the lens rewetting drop, so we'll go over how it's used later. This is the artificial tears to moisturize the lens before putting in the contact lens. This is the extra clean solution, and this is the solution that she will be using daily to store the lenses and to clean the lenses. Before putting on the contact lenses, the first step is always to wash the hands, so always with soap and water. Always best to clean the hands, dry the hands with lint-free towel or tissue. So after you do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the lens from the contact lens case. So each lens has a different prescription for the patient. So we color label the lenses so that the patient doesn't confuse the lens. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold the lens and we're gonna first clean it since it's our first time taking out the lens. So you gently rub it and make sure it's clean. So just like this, you just fill up with one or two drops. Now we are going to fit this lens into Marie's eye.